Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can record the screen at the Huawei Mate 20 Lite. So first of all we need the power button and the volume up button, and if you press these both buttons for the first time, it will answer you at the very first time if you want to enable the screen recording. So you go on enable, then he gives you some information about that screen recording. So also that there is access required to your microphone, you have to agree it. And now he gives you some instructions how you do that. So the screen recording you can also use with double knuck on the screen. We'll show you later. Go on next. And then go on done. So it will give you a countdown. And now it is starting for the very first time. So the screen is recording now. You can see it above here. And if you want to stop it, you can here go on stop, or otherwise you could stop it also on the same way as you have it started, with power button and the volume up button. Then it has finished as well. Okay, and you can double knuck as well, but it's a bit complicated. So as you can see, it works also. If you don't want to have that message again here, go on don't show again, go on agree, and then you will start the same. And always you will start with a countdown. So and then as you can see here, we can stop it, or we can double knuck as well to stop it, and so on. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it, and yeah, if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.